Alright guys, well, end of the day. So got quite a few braces up along that side. I didn't do any on this end because the yard is a little bit tight here coming around with the forklift. It's supposed to get dropped off either tonight or tomorrow morning early. But we got more room as you come around here. So I got this kind of staked off here best I can. It's hard to know for sure how to brace this since it's a brick wall and there's no way to get in anywhere else and fasten something. But these walls are independent of the brick wall and they don't have any kind of shear strength to them. So I think I talked about that yesterday. But I do have some back here as well. So I got braces all the way around, and then inside I got some diagonals for some shear. Well, since I'm out here really quick, I was going to tell you we knocked this old TV antenna tower down. That thing was tall. I'm not sure how tall, but it really was up there. So kind of nice to have that out of the way. Wanted to get that out of the way before trusses. So yeah, as we come inside, you can see I got my notches made right there. See if I can show that pretty close. So I had to go a little wider to get the planer in there, but you can see right where the mark is there. I had it marked, and then every 2 feet. So they get smaller as they go, but I got those all notched. So yeah, I had to do a little bit there and just a little bit on that last one there. So anyway, from then on, it's all good. So this one is all ready to go, this wall here. Then I showed this one yesterday a little bit too. But yeah, I got some new studs put in everywhere to help support where the trusses are going to go. Got some diagonal braces all the way around on this wall and this wall inside, and then got all those outside braces. Then probably this end truss, I'm not quite sure yet. This is going to be the first one. But I'm thinking about bracing it right about there and over there, about the same spot inside. Maybe do a double brace and then maybe do one up at the peak. Getting that first one secured is going to be the tricky one. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, tomorrow's a big day. Prentice is coming and he's going to help me set trusses. So you'll probably see some of him on the video tomorrow. But yeah, wish us luck, guys. Thanks for watching.